Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Matthias make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. Matthias Wandel started his YouTube channel back on April 9, 2007. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 1.3 million. Total amount of views are 433 million. Average daily subs is currently at 788, and monthly subs is 23,632. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views are at 197,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $592. Monthly income is $17,760. Now, his annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. His income is $213,120. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $117,000. Now Matthias Wandel sells plans for the pantograph, and he currently has 1.3 million subscribers. And he sells, let's say 1% of his subscriber buys his things, that's 13,000. An average price point is $18. His profit is also $18. So 13,000 times $18, he makes $234,000 per month. Thank you guys. Free audiobook, link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.